Pray for me, for I have sinned. I bought calls yesterday on the SPY. Today, we're looking for a big move in the SPY, or at least a bounce back. Taking a look at the chart and how the market is starting to find a bottom here. Is the V ready to go? The V. Let's talk about it right here in this video. What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and well, as you can see right now, I'm in a trade on the SPY. I've got 435 call options that expire today. Currently, the price of the SPY is at 436. I also have 438 call options. So I have these 435 calls that I bought this morning at $1.50. You can see my entry there at $1.50 off of the bounce. I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking at here with the chart and how we're looking to capitalize off this momentum right now in the market as we can try to push up here and push out. We got to break above this 436 level on the SPY right now, and we're looking for that breakout to happen here today and try to get this move to come in here. And let's get some action here. Let me pull the chart up for you guys to take a look at here. And as you can see right now on the 15-minute chart, the SPY looking very tasty. Green, green, green. Looking for a push. We need to push over this level here. And this has been giving us some trouble. That 436 level has been giving us trouble. Yesterday, it gave us trouble. I don't know why it's behind my head right now. But if we zoom in here, you can see pushing up there to that 437. If we can push over 437, I think it'll be very bullish and we can get this move really going and start to really crank this baby up. And as you can see, my 435 calls are now up to $2.45, $2.50. I have 10 options here. You can see over here at the top of this, my position having 10 options up there. If you want to learn more about the broker that I use for trading options and trading in general, check out the link down below. You can learn more about the platform and the fees and all that fun stuff and trading options. It's really, I think, at the end of the day, when you're trying to build an account, when you're trading the market, trading options on the SPY, trading options on larger stocks that have big moves and have actual trends over trading pump and dumps, well, you can really learn a lot by trading options and learning more about the market. So if you want to learn more about the broker that I use, check out the link down below. A lot of resistance right now, but if we can kind of pull back, we can kind of bounce off the EMAs, bounce off this 435, 436 level, and then start to move up here 438 by the end of the day. That would be my target on the SPY. I think we can push 438, 439 today if we can keep up momentum and start to keep pushing. But really, it could just be a choppy day as well. We could get a lot of chop. And the good thing is, you know, I do have those 438 calls that expire on Friday, and then I do have the 435 calls that expire today. So we're looking for this to push up there. Man, I really would have loved to have capitalized when this pushed up to the 250 area. That would have been $1,000 in profit, but I think we still got some more time here and let it do its thing. Still early in the morning. We just opened. The market just opened. Come on, guys. The market just opened. We've got plenty of time here. If you look on the bigger time frame here on the daily chart, you can see recently had a big gap down here as well. I got all these lines, I don't know, lines on the chart. This recent pullback, this big gap down, we rallied back up here to the 444 area and then kind of had a similar move today on this, or yesterday had a similar move. Had a not so much of a gap down, but just a big overall sell-off to this level at this 433 level, and was expecting a bounce back today and try to fill this gap by Friday, being that 444, 442 area there. So we'll see if we can get a push up here, and we can ride this trend right now and try to push up here 440 or higher by Friday. We still got plenty of time. It's only Wednesday, so I got a lot of time on those options to push up here. You can see on the 5-minute chart, the SPY at that 436 level, that 436.50 area resistance. That's that resistance that we had pre-market, the resistance we had yesterday. Really just need to get above this level. If we can get above this level, then like I said, I think we can break to the upside here up to the 438 level or higher. So we really just need to come in, maybe a little bit more of a pullback here, and then we can kind of push up here. So the SPY pushing up again here, trying to test this 437 level. Let's see if we can get this breakthrough here. She's wanting to go. I'm looking to sell some of these call options that I bought earlier for $1.50 up here at the 250 or higher area. $900 right now on this trade. Looking for 240s or higher here. Taking some more there. Beautiful. The SPY really pushing here. Trying to get to that 437 level break. If we can get 430, if we get that 437 level break, it's off to the races, I think. Taking some more. So we're out of half now at the basically 230 to 240 area. We're up $850 on this trade. You can see up here in the top left, I'm up you can see up here in the top left, I'm up $840 there on that 435 call options, trying to push up here again to that 240 area. I'm taking some profit, not going to be greedy today. A little bit of green every day keeps the doctor away. The SPY still getting tight on that 437 level. Oh, she's going to go right here. Come on, baby. Let's push it, push it, push it. We got to push through this resistance, guys. We got to do it. We got to show the bulls are back in town. A lot of resistance in this area right now, the 437, 436.50 area. So the battle is real. Bit of a pullback here. Holding on the EMAs right there. A serious battle right here. We got a serious battle going on. You see this thing really battling out right now. All right, so the SPY pulling back here to the 435 level now and kind of chopping around and kind of figuring out which way it wants to go. Like I said yesterday, I still believe that the SPY will want to fill this gap here in the chart to the 438, 440 area by Friday. So we got 2 more days. So I think today will be kind of a battle to figure out if we're going to go up. If we can hold this 434 area, obviously that would be bullish, and then we can start to move back up here to the 440 area by Friday, and that's when I have those 438 call options expiring. So I ended up locking in most of the profit on those 435 call options on the pullback. I didn't want to go into the red here, but still locked in about $627 in profit. I got 1 contract left that I put a stop a little bit above break even. But most of the contracts, we took profit up there above $2, $2.20, $2.30 area. So not too bad, not terrible, but obviously we would have loved to have seen this thing break out and push $3. That's what I was thinking we were going to get, but we had a little bit of trouble in the market and the SPY just not wanting to cooperate and do what we wanted it to do right at that point. So we'll see what happens later on today. Right now, the SPY looking kind of weak and not really liking this pullback here, but like I said, I'm going to stick to the plan and see where we end up by Friday here on these call options. But still locking in some good profit today here on these options, on those 435 options. But we're going to see if these 438 options can print by Friday. We'll see what happens. There it is. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I will talk to you guys later on.